This dog helped his friends to break out from the vet clinic cages. He even tried to break the door, but didn't succeed in the attempt. This dude was going home from the store when suddenly, from nowhere, a dog came and took his meal. Look at this bear showing its perfect catching skills. This monkey plays the game better than many humans do. Just look at its magnificent skills. This is the reason why they call them busy bees. Just look at the teamwork and how they managed to open this bottle in such an effortless way. This was a clever move. Some of them are skilled in doing things they shouldn't. For example, look at this pickpocket. Watch out for your wallet if you find yourself around these threatening creatures. The cat knows what's better. Why drinking regular water from a fountain when you can use this purchased tube and drink water like a boss? Even the cat knows what's better. The orangutan steals a fisherman's canoe from the dock and tries to escape. How come that only humans know how to do tangled things that require action, accuracy, and a great amount of courage? This is fascinating. This dog is so cool, he got the attention of this beautiful brown woman. We are talking about one real macho man. Many guys dream of being this charismatic and lucky when talking about getting attention from the girls around. This is one upgraded way of dating girls. Even though it started in such an innocent way, look just what happened in the end. Octopus are one of the smartest sea creatures. They are way more capable than we know them to be. If people only knew how smart these creatures actually are, they would never, ever again serve them in a dish with a slice of lemon. They are capable of opening jars from inside and outside. They use their body to crush their prey, and also can make practical tools from various accessible materials. We can see a dog saving this cat's life. The cat somehow stuck her head in a plastic bag. Minutes after, the cat loses breath and dies. This superhero dog comes to the rescue. The cat obviously wasn't even aware of what actually happened. This time, we can see the bird teasing a tiger. How brave would the bird be to take the risk and try to tease this bloodthirsty monster? What's a perfect way to trick the predator? Act as if you are dead, of course. These animals have learned such unbelievable surviving skills that for many of us, it's almost impossible to be true. Just take a look at what happened here. Look at this amazing, extremely skilled elephant. The way he uses the brush and the color, and with that, creating such an amazing piece of art. And what's better than a picture with a piece of nature on it? Have you heard that the coconut octopus is actually able to smartly walk on two legs the same as we humans? They don't even own a strong skeleton, but that doesn't stop them from walking the way they want. Who needs walking when you can slide? This funny dog doesn't even need to walk through the slippery snow surface, and we must admit that it is living quite an amusing life many would only wish for. Who said that animals don't know how to make their lives interesting and fun? The thing these chimpanzees did left so many scientists in awe. They used long sticks to fish out algae in the hot summer days, behaving even smarter than some human beings. If you are wondering what the actual need for the elephant to possess its trunk is, here we can clearly see the purpose of it. Just take a look at this sweet little god. He is struggling to stay afloat. It seems as if it's going to drown. But immediately out of nowhere, his friend came to the rescue. You can see that it took time for the dog to save his life. After 34 minutes, the mission was successfully finished. This person made a decision to share his food with this huge orangutan, and look at what happened next. The orangutan gives his other meal to this person as thanks for him sharing his food. Such a generous act. Just look at this monkey. It learned to wash the dishes. Everyone would love to have this animal at home, right? This is such a smart dog. After playing outside, it decided to ring the doorbell and enter the house like a boss. While you are sitting on your sofa, barely making any move, ordering food for delivery, this cat is taking the meal of her own. Just look at it. Have you ever seen something like this? Who said only humans have feelings and can express their emotions through grimaces? This is so cute. Just look at the face of this animal that it makes while being tickled. This is real teamwork. Just look how these birds played the cat. This cat knocked on the door to enter the house. Who said that only humans can do that? One of the best ways you can escape from a zoo. This monkey was so smart that it found a way to perfectly sharpen the rock specifically for this purpose. We knew that monkeys are known to be one of the smartest animals among others, but this is even more than just being smart. You need to have the skill to succeed in executing the plan this monkey had. If you didn't know, cats are capable of learning human behaviors, and they can easily imitate what you are doing repetitively around them. Look at what these cats have learned from their bosses. This cat is hungry, asking for some food. Look at its reaction and how it tried to get the meal. This was so cute. These parents must be very lucky to have such a nanny for their beloved kid. They can be calm because their kid is in the right hands. We know that cats are known to be one of the best animals ever, but this time, the cat surpassed our expectations. In order to save her life, the cat not only learned how to perfectly dive underwater, but also learned how to swim to the wanted destination. This sweet dog learned how to ask for treats, but the owner doesn't want to give him anything because he wasn't behaving well for the past few days. But the dog was very persistent. It obviously was very serious about his needs. He adjusted his bedding, turned on the fan to give some extra to the atmosphere, and turned off the light, then went to sleep. He knows what comfort looks like. We can see the bear trying to get inside this car on the road. Maybe she got tired of the woods and wanted to change location. But of course, the people started screaming because they are not used to giving a ride to a bear, so the animal got scared and walked on two legs, running back to the woods. Look at how this bird is using this stone to break this egg, and after so many attempts, it succeeded and finally broke it. Such a smart bird. This smart kitty managed to escape the cage just to play with its dog friends. Look what animals are capable of doing when it comes to their friends. We humans should learn something from them and how it looks to make an effort for someone you care about. If only a small percentage of the human population was as decent as this elephant, the world would be such a better place to live in. Just look at it. The animals turned out to have better consciousness than us people. We should watch and learn.